Today we're going to revive this neglected and abused sago palm. As you can see, the leaves are all yellowed out. The lower leaves are yellowing. Got some yellowing in these leaves as well. And all the way around, the lower leaves are yellowing. And then the plant just rolls around in the pot. And you know you have some roots that have completely dried out in there. And this plant has just been neglected. So I'm going to show you how to bring this plant back to life. In this video, I'm going to do a live experiment for you while showing you how to heal any sick or neglected plant using these methods. I learned this part from my mother when I was small. That's to keep your roots from getting waterlogged. This plant's going to be sitting outside, and when they sit outside, if it's not sitting on some type of surface, the drainage holes get clogged up with dirt over time, and they stop draining. That'll kill your plant sitting outside if you don't have it sitting in a pan or sitting on some type of surface so that it's not sitting directly on the soil. Sometimes if your soil isn't draining well in that pot, then it's just going to hold water and none's going to drain out. I'm going to continue to apply foliar application every other week of this Earth Lord foliar feed to the sago palm tree, and we'll do a follow-up video in the feed. Stay tuned.